friends. We meet new people all the time and we might want to introduce ourselves. But how do you do that in Siswati? Well, if I meet someone and I want to introduce myself in Siswati, I say Sawubona, ligama lami ngumake wathando. But hey, if my name was Peter, if I meet someone, I would say Sawubona, ligama lami nguPeter. Just like in English, you can say, hello, my name is Susan. Hello, I'm Susan. I am Susan. In Siswati, we have equivalents. You can say, Sawubona, ligama lami nguSusan. Or you can say, Sawubona, nginguSusan. You just said, hello, my name is Susan. Hello, I'm Susan. So those are the two ways to introduce yourself in Siswati. Now, if you want to tell the person where you reside or where you stay, you can say, Ngihlala in New York. I live in New York. Or you can say, Ngihlala in California. I live in California. Now, let's see a real life practice of friends meeting for the first time. Here's some friends meeting for the first time, and they're going to introduce themselves entirely in Siswati. Sawubona, yebo, ligama lami ngingu Aphiwe. Sawubona Aphiwe, ligama lami nguThandi. Uhlala phi Aphiwe? Ngihlala eCalifornia. Uhlala eCalifornia? Yebo. Uhlala phi wena? Mine ngihlala eSouth Africa. Ngiyajabula kukwati Thandi. Nami ngiyajabula kukwati Aphiwe. So that's how you introduce yourself in Siswati.